todos abramos esas manos que el Señor nos dijo, amaros unos a los otros como yo los he amado.
Gracias. This feels so good. I have no idea, but if you feel me, you've been feeling this journey, this camino, then you'll know that this is surely a blessing. So, this ain't a movie, this is real life. That's a good sign. But damn, dude, I am exhausted. Oh. Just like hopefully from now on, everything else in life I do, it's 100%. This journey has made me a lot more spiritual. Hopefully it's made you feel the same way in a weird way. Just knowing that I found it in me to come out here and make this happen. This is totally beautiful. So tell me, your name, where are you from? Yes. And why are we doing this beautiful journey?
It's been a dream. Oh, now it's reality.
If you overestimate it and you don't honor the Camino and respect the Camino, it's not going to let you finish.
Your first Camino, why did you do your first Camino? Was it spiritual?
Spiritual, in a way, but also because my mother was dying.
Where y'all from?
New York?
Yeah, my birthplace. Awesome.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Your names?
Fran? Sue?
Want to say anything to your fellow family out back home?
It's the best thing I ever decided to do.
Yes.
Now it is only day 2, but
the message for the future is connect with everybody. Connect from the heart level. Then everybody will be fine.
Time in history, these people have taken this journey to find what they've been searching for. Now, come along with me on this journey and see what I was searching for. I want to tell them right here, live, Joseph. Gracias, amigo.
Okay.
Gracias.
Un placer, César. Okay. I would like to speak in English, but I don't dominate your language, okay?
It's all right.
I speak Spanish better.
Yeah. But we all understand each other anyway, without having to talk sometimes.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao. Buen camino. For now, I'm going to share with you this little, small version of where I'm going to take you. And if you want to come along and see what the power connection does. Well, and this is the way we're leaving it. Some good stuff. Listening to some good music. And enjoying some lunch. Yeah, a little tangerine. A little action. And of course, my 1134 guy sing my song. Right over there. Oh, hey, buen camino, ¿cómo está? So that's it, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. 11:34, Camino Santiago, César y Susana.